Oh, dear.
Better hang on to something. I think he's gonna blow.
Winnie the Pooh sneezed the biggest sneeze that had ever been sneezed in the 100-acre orchard.
Piglet. Stuff and fluff. Piglet? Excuse me, Mr. Dust Bunny. Did you perchance see my friend Piglet?
It's me, Pooh.
Oh, so it is.
Where's Tigger?
Found him.
Hey,
Eeyore, where are you? Oh, there he is. Are you all right, Eeyore?
Been better. Been worse, too.